Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of the Wellness Shot. My name is Dr. David Orman on this absolutely beautiful, stunning day. It's about 80 degrees, low humidity, beautiful sunlight, and today is October 20th. Today's session is going to be on, well, we know Christmas not all that far away, and famous gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Well, there is an herb called frankincense or frankincense extract. It's also known as Boswellia. It comes from India, and it's part of what's known as the Ayurvedic medicine tradition. And Ayurvedic medicine is a system unto itself, much like Chinese medicine is a system unto itself. They have different concepts and principles, but some of the best herbal medicine also comes from that area and from that system. Boswellia or frankincense extract being one of them. Are your joints bothering you? Are you looking to reduce inflammation? This is the substance for you. It is exceptional for reducing inflammation, any type of excess heat in the system. There is a particular enzyme that is contained in this herb, which helps to reduce one of the major factors of inflammation. It is excellent for any type of itis. Whenever you see itis, I-T-I-S at the end of the word, that simply means inflammation. So bursitis, arthritis. It's also good for asthma and other types of digestive irritation. Boswellia is also fantastic. In fact, if I was to pick one thing for joint relief and improving and increasing mobility, this would be the one. I would take it internally as well as topically. The reason is, aside from clearing inflammation and reducing pain, it helps to ease the joint pain and supports cartilage protection. Cartilage when the cartilage is protected, it helps to reduce stiffness, which relieves pain, improves overall mobility. So if you are suffering from osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, this is the star of the show. It also has a couple other side effects, side benefits. I mentioned one of them already. It helps to support the gut and immune response, immune health. The gut, as most people know, it constitutes approximately 50% of the immune system. And when there is any type of compromise with the gut, there's compromise with the immune system. This will help both. It's anti-inflammatory effect, and it also has an antimicrobial effect. So yeast and bacteria and things that shouldn't be in the system, it helps to clear it out. The other odd thing you would think, okay, so it helps with the joints mainly, and then it also helps with the gut. The strange thing, it also helps with respiratory function, which was kind of interesting. I haven't used it a great deal for respiratory function, but what I've noticed is the people that I've recommended it for, they have come back and said, yes, my joints, I feel better, I feel more mobility, etc. And this may be strange, but I'm breathing better. My asthma has been reduced. My allergies have been reduced. And basically, what it does is helps clear inflammation, helps clear mucus, and it helps to strengthen the overall respiratory system. So it has a nice benefit or side benefit, if you will. So that is Boswellia. It is also known as frankincense extract. You can find it in capsule form, which is what I would recommend, or in cream form. That is a supportive thing. I would not just take it in cream. It doesn't quite work as well as when you have internally. You've been listening to another session of the Wellness Shot. My name is Dr. David Orman. If you have questions or would like a particular topic, just let me know. I'd be happy to do so. Thank you.